Korean and hot. Korean barbecue and hot midnight. New York, KK Town.
Okay, I'm down. It is now 10. We were gonna go to Exla, but Exla had this huge line wrapped around it. I don't know what the heck was up with that. Now we're going to Nacho Daddy, which is our lunch plan, and we're having it for brunch. This is what it looks like. Let's go. He's setting it on fire.
I don't know if you saw on the menu too, anything that says flaming, we use it actually on fire.
I don't think we got anything flaming. This is the triple dip. It comes with queso. We put the chili on the side for you guys. There's mild and hot, and there's guacamole and chips. Me and Jen are gonna go. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, Jen has already eaten. We're gonna get our chip. I'm gonna try the queso with a little bit of some of this jalapeno stuff. Jalapeno. Was it last November? I'm not doing the sauce on this one. That's good. Food is here. We have Mexican grilled corn off the cob, filet mignon street tacos with rice, no beans, and then filet mignon nachos. The filet nachos. I'm going to put the corn on top of it. This one will describe me right here. There's no meat on it. Street taco. Area 15. Whoa. Disneyland! What is happening? We are currently at Area 15. It looks like Town of Terror getting in. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, this looks so trippy on camera.
It's not for me to say you love. Go with the brothers, boo, you know how we do. It's for
not for me to say you love. It's not for me to say you love.
Go with the brothers, boo, you know how we do.
It's
Go with the brothers, boo, you know how we do.
It's not for me to say.
Hello. It's dinner time and show your face. It is currently dinner time. We are heading to Resort World where we're gonna spend our night. We are going to Carversteak. We will not Carversteak. We will not be having the tomahawk steak, which is $280 because now John is under.
And me.
And Angelina's under. So yes, and then after that we are going to the David Blaine show.
Oh yeah.
So look at Jen's cute outfit. Me and Angelina are currently wearing shoes. We're gonna see if we get in with our tennis shoes.
Hence, we're gonna tomahawk at all you can eat barbecue.
Okay. Okay. Yes, also the plan is that after we're done eating here tonight, we're gonna go have a tomahawk steak at an all-you-can-eat Korean barbecue place. Maybe. Let's see. They gave them a birthday card.
Well, thank you. Happy birthday. Thank you. We hope your day is filled with happiness and great company, even a better meal from all of us here at Carversteak.
Aww.
Give us a free steak.
We have pork and knife Caesar. And this one is a Wagyu cheesesteak bites. Oh, look at that. This is the Wagyu cheesecake bites. That is so good. Entrehan and entrecote. First bite reactions to that delicious. That is really good. That's so good. Really good. Pork and knife Caesar.
The cheesecake is amazing.
Okay, we're here. Yeah, come back into frame. Okay, come back.
For your entrees this evening, I wanted to invite you to our tradition here at Carversteak. Go light and choose your own weapon.
Wow.
Here I have a selection of 5 handcrafted steak knives. These pivot blades up top are going to be our lighter and heavier blades in the selection. The ironwood being the heaviest. We have our Damascus steel here in the center, well-rounded and well-balanced. This fillet is going to be more short and petite. For those that prefer a smaller blade with a smaller handle. And our black micarta here is lightweight, long, and sleek. If you're looking for a more traditional style.
Wow. The light one, right?
This one, right?
Yeah, that's going to be the most petite.
Get the big one.
The big one, right?
Oh yeah, I want the petite one.
Oh yeah, you take the boutique one. Can I put the side? No, because Skip's gonna pick it.
So these two are the same.
Exactly.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna do the opposite of the other.
Which one did you get? Touch this one?
I got this. I took
I'd say, well, I would switch it up and get the Damascus part.
Oh yeah.
I feel like this is a Harry Potter wand or something. Thank you. Cheers.
Yeah, I got the light one. It's still yours. You said to get the That was hilarious. They made the guy walk all the way back, and then he turned around and came back. We didn't make him. He suggested. We wanted to walk back. He said, "Do you want me to walk back?" We're like, "Yeah, can you?" We walked all the way back, and then came back. And then did our. That was really cool. It's like a true really weapon experience. That was neat. This is what he had recommended for me. That's it. I didn't love it.
Boneless ribeye, finished off with shishito peppers and a red wine shallot butter. Mac and cheese gratin with Irish and cheddar. This is Nacho chicken jus. Enjoy.
Thank you.
This is the mac and cheese and served in a I'm gonna take a bite of mac and cheese. Mac and cheese is good. The mac and cheese is delicious. My beautiful knife. This part. I'm gonna use it to cut nice. Knife is beautiful. I'm gonna dip it in the sauce again. I don't like the dressing. Bye-bye. Is it ghetto to ask for some hot sauce? A shot of Tabasco would be really good. With the pepper on top. Pepper adds a nice spice. That is what it's missing. Very good. Very good. Good? Good on Sam?
Come back, come back. Yay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Angelina and John.
I just did it.
Happy birthday to you. Oh, sorry. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Ready?
Dragon League. Is that good?
My thoughts is that this is a great restaurant. They folded my napkin while I was in the restroom. And thank you. And they also gave us a dessert for the birthday girls. Happy birthday. Took a bite of it in here. Chocolate? Oh yeah. We have an hour before David Blaine starts. Is it really? Oh, 30 minutes until David Blaine starts, so we may be doing about
That is a tomahawk steak, hon. Drinking every last sip. Hey, you need to lick the dessert plate. Lick the dessert plate.
Everyone's really nice here. Overall, great experience here. We like it.
Also, in the restroom, it's a whole experience. This is the nice restroom that I was talking about earlier, with this nice woman who gives you a towel. And then they have a bunch of stuff in here. Interesting. And then that's the one that Angela was using. Audrey's supposed to sit right there.
And right here?
No, Audrey. We're currently at the David Blaine show. It should start soon. This is what it looks like. That. And then on all our seats it says do not open. Probably not going to record the rest of this, so we'll share our before and afters and how we're feeling reactions after this.
Well, I'm just kidding, that's my tongue. So this will go inside and it will find your rig. Yes. So we're gonna go together, so let me feel, okay, we're gonna go together as hard as we can on 3. 1, 2. Wow. That was good.
I'm literally shaking.
I know, me too. I have some alcohol.
Because he's gonna do
Can we stand in front of the table? You guys don't mind me? And can you just hold this for a second? And Michael, can you just hold my wrist? No. We're your friends, man. What are you doing?
Come on, Jay, you got it.
Just, here, you're gonna just choose a spot. Yeah, just choose. No, just choose a spot. Yeah, just. No, we just make it look like it's going. You see how that looks like it's actually. See how it looks like it's actually going.
Yeah.
I mean, it looks like it's going in. Yeah. Well, but you gotta push.
You want to push that thing?
Well, you gotta push it. See how that, Michael? You gotta make sure. I mean, it really. See how it looks like it's actually going. You know, the problem is, here, step back a step, just like this. Now, the one problem is, Michael, can you put your 2 fingers right around that? Yeah, right around it. Yeah, and good. And yeah, just like that. And let's turn like this and just push the skin in. This just pushes out. Yeah, push. 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 Push.
And hands up.
Oh my gosh. What's a world record?
My first priority is to quickly make any adjustment so I'm as prepared as I can be. But every move uses energy and costs me the oxygen that I will later need. Every second I'm trying to remain as efficient as I can with all of the air that I forced into my lungs.
We're coming up on 1 minute.
9:30.
Let's let him hear it.
Let him hear it, dude! Let's go!
9:55.
10 minutes!
Come on, David.
Pull one, basically look through them and pull one halfway out. Pull one, whichever you want. Which one? The 3?
Yeah.
Not the 8? Not the 10? It was the 3?
Yeah, the 3. I like it.
The 3 of hearts?
Yeah.
You sure? Or
Yeah.
the jack? Or that one?
I like it.
That's the one?
Yeah.
Okay, so show everybody what you took. The 3 of hearts. Oh, good. RJ?
Yes.
I want you to just pick any person. Pick a random
Oh my
person.
gosh.
Who?
There's no way.
Who? The man with the green or your dad?
My dad.
Oh, were you doing this? Did you hide a card? Can I see it? I just want to see, because, oh wow, look what he took too. Show them. Let them see, hold it up. No, can you all see that? Maybe turn it towards RJ.
There's
yeah.
no
Wait,
way.
no, but hold on. But RJ, show the 3 of hearts. When you chose a 3 of hearts, you could have chose any card. They were face
no
up.
way.
But you chose that, and then you choose your dad. Oh, well, wait, everybody in the room.
No way. No way. Oh my god! Oh my god! Holy crap, that's insane! Oh shit! Oh my gosh! How is that possible? How'd you like the show, Angelina? Are you about to throw the frog? How'd you like it? Amazing. The last trick when we all got 3 of hearts was insane. I got 4 deck of cards. Some people didn't show up. How did you like it? It was awesome. So different. That was crazy. We said that's the last time he's gonna do the water tank holding his breath thingy because he promised his kid. We are currently leaving. It's crowded. This person is tall. Also, Zed was here and Michael Strahan was also here. So it was filled with celebrities. We just got 3 tickets tonight only to Transfix. It's an interactive art exhibit installation something. I don't know. We're gonna change Jen's shoes and then go check it out. We are heading into Transfix. I don't know what this is, but we're gonna see. We're gonna find out. We're heading into a 6-minute cosmic adventure. What is this place? Whoa. Smile! Copy them. Oh, can you spin that? Oh my god! We are now at Korean barbecue having tomahawk steak. I don't think any of us are really starving, but here we are. Jen just had a nice power nap, and that's what we're here for. We can have 4 total. I think we'll have 2. That's a huge steak. brisket. Brisket with green onions.
That's why I keep it quiet. I don't like to say too much. That's when I come back to
Really nice.
Stop! Like, you kept correctly.
Cool already, you guys. First bite. It's sweet. Good steak is sweet. Last but not least, ice cream. Jen's got her second win. This is green tea. Wait, Pan, you might be right now. Angelia's leaving. It's because it is 1:30. You can't see it, but it's 1:30. It's actually pretty good.
Jen, didn't you say you wanted something from Hawaii?
Get some sleep. Oh my gosh! 1, 2, 3. Okay, pretend to drink it. Oh my gosh. Can you lift all of them? Oh. God. This morning is extremely brutal. Whoa, my voice. We are currently at Venetian. We just went to Mass. We're now going to get Jen's macaroons for children at Bouchon Bakery. And then we're headed home. So that's all I got for you. Bye. Say bye, everybody. And Shalina's practicing her Blackpink dance, so she can't say goodbye. Bye. See you guys next week.